Hi everybody. I'm going to send this to all of my classes, so these are not, this video is not tailored for like 2R or 3R or AP World or anybody. I just wanted to take a moment and congratulate you on finishing out the school year. We are done, or almost done. You're in finals week when you'll see this, and hopefully some of you actually watch this video. But again, I wanted to congratulate you, take a moment. I know the past several months, school is always stressful, but distance learning has added more stress onto us, combined with a pandemic and the terrible tragedy of George Floyd. And we have, there's a lot of factors working against you, against us, and you weathered through, you powered through, you did it. So again, I wanted to congratulate you on finishing out the year strong. I wanted to thank you for all the hard work that you've done for me, not only in distance learning, but throughout the whole year. And I just wanted to let you all know how proud I am of you. As we move into the summer, I mentioned in the chats that I've had this week, please, try to be a listener this summer. Do less talking and more listening to those around you, and be an advocate for positive change in our world, rather than, all of us are saying, including myself, oh, I wish 2020 would just end. I wish we could just move on. And maybe this is time that we pay attention. I mean, we're forced to pay attention right now. And we wouldn't be paying attention like we are had we not been in a pandemic. As the days go on, I'm more and more convinced that history is being changed right now in 2020. This will be a year that will forever be talked about. So you're living in that. And so, think about what that means this summer. Again, very proud. Thank you for all of your hard work. If you need anything from me over the summer, reach out via email. I still check email. Teams is probably, something that I'll use even when we come back to school. So I still have that on my phone. If you need something from me, you know where to find me. And I'll do my best to respond to you as quick as I can. I hope you enjoy your summer. I hope you're able to rest and relax. And while the summer may not be like others, I think it's still an opportunity for us to get rejuvenated. I hope to see you in August. And like I've said since we started this in March, I truly miss you guys. I've been teaching for 20 years. I've never taught in a year like this. And I miss my students, and I love you guys. I hope you know that, and take care of yourselves over these next couple of months. And I look forward to seeing you, hopefully, in the fall. Let me know if you need anything from me. Take care.